The final step in making all the parts for the shelf is creating a peg. In order to do this, we're going to hit File, New. We'll create a part. And we're going to draw this peg from the top plane and top view. We'll go to Sketch, and we'll use the line tool to draw this. We start at the intersection of the two red arrows, and we're going to just draw the shape. We're not worried about dimension at this point. So we'll draw down, to the right, up a little bit, and to the right again. At this point, I'm still drawing. I can hit Escape, and now I'm going to dimension these. So when you dimension, you do multiple different ways. You could go point to point to get your dimensions and click. This first one will be 2.5 inches. Or instead of doing point to point, you could do line to line, and this dimension will be 0.1875. Then the height from point to point will be 0.375, and this last little line here will be 0.1. So now that I have my dimensions, I'm going to use the spline tool to enclose my shape. Remember, when you use the spline tool, you could always edit your spline after the fact. So we'll start on the bottom peg here, or bottom line. We'll click, and this peg goes in slightly right away, then slowly will come up and close on the top. Once you get to the top, you can hit Escape, and this is where I was talking about. You could go to these nodes and change the way that your peg looks. So I came in a little too far there. I want more sloping. That looks pretty good there. So now I'll exit Sketch. I will select my sketch, and I'll go to Features. Underneath Features, you'll see Revolved Boss Base. You'll select that. At this point, it's asking for your axis of revolution. For the axis, I'll click this line right here for this shape to circle around this line. You click it, and then you'll be able to check mark. And there's your three-dimensional peg. At this point, you can save your peg, and you're done creating the parts. Now it's time to assemble.